Welcome friends. Again I have come with a new video. Speak English easily. Do you like to speak English easily and fluently? Don't worry. Please go through the free spoken English classes going to be published step by step with tips and tricks in these channels. So don't miss the golden opportunity. Subscribe this channel and follow the lesson carefully. To speak English fluently and confidently, three main tips should be followed. Only three main tips you have to follow by, by which you can speak English much confidently and fluently. What are they? Listening, thinking English only to apply in your daily life, and speaking to self with your friends, teachers, relatives for practice. These are the three main tips you have to follow: listening, thinking, and speaking. Now discuss these three tips elaborately. At first, listening. What we should listen? Listening to children's English language movie, especially for the beginners. The beginners should go through the children's English language movie. That will be helpful for them to understand the English pronunciation, English language. Then they should hear English commentary in sports. That must be an exciting one. English commentary in sports, especially in cricket, international cricket or IPL and other sports also. They should hear the English commentary in sport. English news channel. Every while we should listen news channel in English. The listeners should hear the native English news channels because the pronunciation will help them to understand. Someone's encouraging English speech. If anyone in delivering the speech about his own successful mission, you should listen to get encouraged. That will be helpful to understand the English language. Or you should listen English documentaries, movies, etc. Then think English. Thinking English only to apply in your daily life. That's very important. Whenever you think, you should think English only, and you should apply them in your daily life. How? Think yourself. Short English sentences happening surrounding you. Short English sentences happening surrounding you. But you should think English. Don't try to translate from your mother tongue. That's very important. You should not translate from your mother tongue. You have to think only English. It might be wrong. That does not matter. You have to think only English. You have to think just English only. You may take note of new words or phrases you learn, or on your exercise book, or record them in your mobile to hear later. That will be better way to develop. So you should take a note of new words or a phrase you learn on your exercise book, or record them on your mobile to hear later, and that will be the better way to develop. That's very important. Finally, speaking. Speaking to self with your friends, teachers, relatives for practice. At first, you should speak with yourself. How? Try to speak with yourself while traveling, sitting, or lying alone. You should try to speak with yourself in English. Then, if possible, record it on your mobile to listen again what you have said with yourself. Then rectify it, listen again and again. Practice makes perfect. And if you record them on your mobile phone, it will be very helpful for you and the better way to develop quickly. Finally, try to apply those words or sentences with your friends or relatives in your daily activity. That's very important. If you follow these 3 tips, your speaking quality will develop. You can speak English fluently and confidently. So, these are the 3 tips: listening, thinking English only to apply in your daily life, and speaking to self with your friends, teachers, relatives for practice. You can take a screenshot to memorize and practice it regularly at your home in your daily life. Hope you have enjoyed the class, and you will follow my every spoken English classes that will be uploaded step by step. It will take some time. Tips step by step will be uploaded. That will be obviously helpful to you. Okay, see you again. Bye.